Hello, Black South Africa. Sawubona sizwe samaZulu. And then my response kwa ngo Tata Morero and kwa Mai Mai. I, from the Zulu perspective, mina, I am clear with why would that be happening. Uh, it ngilalela uDada Morero athi angeke ufike angithi emzini womuntu uvele uhlome okwakho noma kanjani. And then amaZulu akithi ayavuma, which is very true. But kusho uDada Morero. Kusho uDada Morero. And amaZulu imvamisa awafike emzini womuntu avela ahlome kwasani. So it's very rare that you even find slums imikhukhu ihlonyiwe amaZulu ey'ndaweni futhi naleyo esikhona emahostela imikhukhu ize manje because amaZulu esekhathele ukuthi abodada Morero abazonda amaZulu abawakheli amaZulu ama-RDP house. So it's very interesting when people who are exactly behind illegal immigrants rush to non-entities as my hostel to clear. Ngaleso sikhathi sijola sila eJohannesburg sisalinde bacleare millions of illegal immigrants. And then bona bazothi hayi mhlawumbe bazosuggest ukuthi hayi i-crime noma ngabe yenziwa unanoma ubani, which is very true. There are priorities and it's very interesting when a priority becomes people who hardly do that crime. Yabona uma uzo-prioritizer mina sengiyaqala ukutshontsha bese mina uyashesha ukungibopha. Kodwa kunabantu abade baqala ukutshontsha sebentshontshe millions of rands but abangene ejele. Kodwa nje lo oyimina nje owenze into encane usumfaka ejele. That's not justice. That's not justice. And I also believe you're doing this to challenge the fact ukuthi it is actually Zulu people who are fighting or pushing back against illegal immigrants that you protect. Wena zololokhu Dada Morero bufuna ukuqasha ama-foreigner, not amaZulu, and you are presiding over institutions which have always segregated against Zulus long ago as directly intended by yourselves. Sesiyababona abozungu nibafakile suddenly, but we know what has been happening in Johannesburg for many years to block Zulus. Hence Zulus were never even getting RDP houses, which you were giving to Mozambicans. Kadu khona kuma-finance aseGoli and everything. You are the one. Now I'm talking about Parkstar and them. You are the people who intentionally and the baddies who run Limpopo and the vendors and the Shangas who intentionally block Zulus. Usukijipele kwa Mai. Interesting. Have you cleared or have you sorted icase yama market la ngcolile? Yabona my was the cleanest market for years. Ngihamba le ndawo angimazi ku now selokugcwala labantu abathengisa ukudla. But my was the cleanest market in Johannesburg, whilst the other markets lezi ebengawafuni amaZulu kuzo were very dirty pigsties, from MTN taxi rank all the way to Park Station. Mina ngiphela lapho kudala ngihamba kulezo ndawo bengekho nomZulu oyi-one emnikeze a stall to trade there kwaMashangane kuphela. Ngimbuza for years ukuthi why kwaMashangane kuphela in the city of Johannesburg, which is full of Zulus, in a country that has got so many native black nations. So if you are in those markets, you're supposed to see the full representation of the demographics of Johannesburg, but no, ubona amashangane kuphela, Shangans. And then some Zimbabweans lapha ku Kerk Street bokugcwala iCongo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwaba abantu baseCongo abaqalayo lapho because mina I've been walking the streets of Johannesburg all throughout my life. So it was Congolese laba futhi babedayisa originally ney'mpahla eziyi-quality ezaziyi-quality esasithenga ngangithenga ama-leather kubo labo ku-Kerk Street. Ngingakagcwalisi laba abasebethengisa ama-vegetable and everything, but nje originally kwakuwabantu ababeme kahle as in bengathengisi noma yikanjani and bethengisa iy'mpahla eziyi-quality ezama-second hand. And okuwukuthi kwalokho bokuwubugebengu because they were stealing clothes donated to i-Red Cross bese basidayisela zona, which is what then the Nigerian friends of yours then came to do. They replaced the Congolese. They took their supply chains of those illicit goods for themselves as Nigerians. Babathathele yonke into ke anyway, but ke now after that i-Kerk Street nje kwavele kwaba nje i-foreigners land, bonke labantu abadayisa lapha ama-foreigner. Sakhuza lento long before 2005. Futhi isiquestion even then the city of Johannesburg ukuthi bapha abantu abase-Johannesburg in these stalls, and where are the Zulu people who make up sort of like 25 or 20% of Gauteng's population? And we know ukuthi Zulus are traders. They are the ones who started markets, by the way, from Guma Blacks. And they are running markets especially in KZN successfully. Even if Faraday, you understand, is surviving despite the lack of funding and protection by the city of Johannesburg. Not forgetting this other truth. Going back to colonialism times, after they sabotaged the Zulu businesses, Amawasha, they also purged Zulus out of city center markets. It is Zulus who started markets, not Shangans. So they purged Zulus out of city center, your white people. Because remember, white people always front your black nations against the Zulus. So now they fronted, or rather they purged Zulu markets out of the city center, Kwalape Park Station, everything. Bawalahlela le outside the busy areas of the CBD. Same way baxosha amawasha bawalahlela eNinesfield le egcine isiyiSoweto ukuze basabotage Zulus not to have economic power. And there in Amawasha they used Indians to replace Zulus. And then in markets of the city, you as the ANC used Shangans to replace Zulus. And then you fetch foreigners bazozigcwalela e-Uval market instead of our local, because i-Uval kwakufuze kube ama-artists ethu la abadweba and everything abagcwele kulawo ma-market segcine ama-veg. It was not necessarily ama-market ama-veg. It was supposed to be tourism related markets abadayisa these articrafts ezinhle. You understand? Nina nafaka lama-foreigner enu, nina yiyo bokukhona lapho Dada Morero. So now amaZulu ke asezibonele ibhizinisi kudala beyiqalele ngemayimai. Thina eSoweto sithenga kamayimai izinto zokuzane zemishado and everything. Imayimai survive all these years because of Zulus of Soweto. Because we've always known ukuthi yindawo yokuthenga izinto eziyisintu and the likes. Without your support, i-support yenu nani ifuna ife leya business because you always hated Zulus. And then nani ngayixhasi nganext. So khuluma ngemxhaseni ifakile because of Maboning. Into efika manje imayimai beyizimele without imxhaso, nani ngafuni nokuthi survive because you hated Zulus. Labeni ngabanikeza ama-RP, labeni bahlalise in those pigsty Alexander hostels. That's the legacy of you, Dada Morero, Pakstow, nabahola abathize be-IFP abasebenzisana nani. It's you. So my sevele yaba nje priority, hayi sizoklina the area, phela we invested a lot of our monies. Hayi imali yabo, they are taxpayers, imali yomphakathi leya. imali yomphakathi leyo. So yimina okhokha intela and then ngirobhile kaningi leyo City of Johannesburg yenu owes me more than 200,000 nasirobha tata Murero omonde view emzini wami I can count thousands and they must figure sifuna ukusolva lezo zinto lezo. You have protectionist systems to cover up your evils, but okusala mina ngiwubongane. And I felt targeted as a Zulu person because I was also speaking about issues to do with tribalism of Venda people in Joburg, water, electricity, and the likes. We know the fraud. So, I'm one of the victims of your fraud. And it is really targeting. So now, my so we priority but no, besidela kakhulu ngama illegal foreigners. Usukhipha ingaki? How many illegal immigrants have you deported out of the city of Johannesburg? But ke ithi ngithi ke kukhona kona ke oku-encouraging nakhona lapho futhi ngibona kuwumZulu owekhansela who's being featured or highlighted as cleaning ilento ini Hillbrow. But there's really little that she has done so far. I mean, i-Hillbrow mangabe uDada Mrero ufuna ukuyicleana in one single day, we're supposed to be seeing tens of thousands of illegality in flat apartments being sorted. Indawo eyodwa elihlala abantu abawu-2 bachelor flat ehlala abantu aba-more than 10. So if you are implementing health and safety what's in that instance iyayiflethile lodwa ngabe kuphume hundreds of people. Angikubonanga lokho, sanidlala ngathi. So thina ke as South Africans behlala emafletini afuna i-South African ID uhlala nibawu-2 khona kuleyo Hillbrow. Ngibuya nokuhlala eHillbrow ke bengihlala khona Captain and Quads Hoffman New Yorker. Ungayibona namanje ukuthi decent kuhlala ama-black South Africans ke lapho. So but lama foreigner enu niwavumela ukuphula yonke imithetho kodwa thina we get subjected to stringent laws, but foreigners have got a right above laws. Nigijimela kwaMayi. It was the cleanest market. The dirty markets are MTN. Ngoshona kulento ku Park Station, and I'm calling for this. Mina ngifuna kubona kulawo market wonke lawo alapho because awasi hostile. Ngifuna ukubona i-representation yabantu baseGoli especially because kunabantu abathungayo excellent la eSoweto who aren't getting stalls to display their actual wares, hayi imikhiqizo yama-China enu leni igcwalise lapha. We've got creative people who are supposed to be selling in those stalls, but you placed there these foreigners of yours who bring Chinese cheap merchandise. That's not what we were selling. Yini enibafakile thina yabona la eSoweto like ngila isinawana khona umuntu odesigner, kunabantu abadesigner impahla eziyi-quality yabo Truworths levels, but they've got no stores. Sibazi ngokuthi bathungele makubo, it's reference. Umuntu ukuthungela into ehambayo, you don't empower those people. Busy ngama-foreigner and then tshela thina ukuthi lazy. We've got quality people who have got no space to trade. We come from mothers who went all around circles befuna indawo zokutrade eJohannesburg. Ningabanikezi nina behlushwe abelungu before then kwaza le ANC yenu yama-tribalist. Mina ngizalwa umama obekethunga to come and to go. So isinawane period sinabantu abayi-quality yokuthunga abangazange banikezwe iy'ndawo zokutrader. Sibona sekuqhamuka ama-foreigner angaka. My mother is the first person to sell food off the pavements of Aeroton. How she did that, she requested uCashbuild ukuthi amvumele ukudayisa egeyithini lakhe. uCashbuild wavuma, and she observed the regulations kaCashbuild. Wase ethola nepermit le enzima ukuyithola kumuntu oyi-black South African, kodwa wagcina eyitholile. So betrader lapha ngepermit, nafika nina ngelanga engayiphethe i-permit. It just had to be a coincidence. You destroyed my mother's business. She's Zulu. You destroyed my mother's business like nobody's business. She never recovered from that. Yeah, she's no longer there because of you. So when I'm watching what you're doing, I can see what you're actually attacking the fact that it is Zulus who are trying to drive out illegal. So you're kind of like sort of saying, now AmaZulu or now Black South Africans bayenza crime. Yeah, bayenza vele sifuna yonke into ibe clear. But mawuzoqala ngami who hardly does that crime. Kungakenzeki into ebonakalayo ku the ngathini, the habitual doers of that crime, then you are being biased. Iqoqeni mayimaya anginankinga, but you are being biased and you are driving certain agendas to defend or your illegals, to try and put Zulus in a corner as though we are sine-duplicity. Icacile into enizama ukuyenza, but iklineni-ke angithi ilungelo lenu, klinani phela niqoqe. Kodwa-ke manje mina sengikhuthele ukuthi at least uma nikwazi nokukwenza lokho, ngifuna ukubona niyoklina i-Alexander Hostel nihlalise abantu decently as immediate as you were able to clear ilentuza ini imayimaya. I want to see black illegal immigrants being flushed out of the city of Johannesburg as easy and quickly as you did Mai Mai. Thank you.